Serenity! Attention!
Welcome to a grade 4 assembly where we infuse the vital value of respect through various real life scenarios. First, we acknowledge the story of children who were denied education due to their circumstances. This illustrates the importance of respecting every individual's right to learn. Next, we highlight the brave individuals who, despite facing opposition from those in power, continue to fight for justice. This reminds us that respect involves supporting and standing up for what is right.
All the professions. So, respect it. Welcome, students start for you. And expect those who respect you, no matter how hard it is, individually will be.
We recognize the dedicated doctors who work tirelessly to save lives. They show us that respect also means valuing and caring for the well-being of others. Through these examples, we learn that respect is essential in every aspect of our lives. Jai Hind.